Welcome to this overview of Altus, a Microsoft Preferred best practice portfolio and project management solution that aligns work to strategy and people to purpose to make work matter. Projects in organisations are often managed in silos using multiple tools and legacy systems, making consolidation at a program, portfolio and resource level difficult. This can also lead to unreliable and outdated information and makes the big picture hard to see. Altus solves these problems by bringing order to work, providing 3 levels of capability so organisations can match their solution to their level of project management maturity. With Altus, you align work to strategy and people to purpose to make work matter. Altus is a Microsoft Preferred best practice portfolio and project management solution built on the Microsoft Power Platform. It is deployed securely into your Microsoft 365 tenant, and all data resides in the Microsoft Dataverse. You can access Altus either through Power Apps or in Microsoft Teams. It seamlessly integrates with a range of task management and execution tools, as well as enterprise business systems like finance and operations. Transform the way you manage your projects, programs and portfolios with this intuitive solution that is suitable for projects of all sizes, from very complex to very simple. Altus also supports the range of project management methodologies your people use. Let's take a look at how it works. Altus ensures all users get the answers they need to make the right decisions for their role, from project team members to managers to executives and key stakeholders. As a project manager, you can easily navigate to projects you've worked on recently. Altus allows you to follow a consistent project management process, ensuring you have all the information you need to manage your projects effectively. This includes the ability to manage your project schedule and all of the associated tasks. You can also manage your project financials, your budgets, your forecasts, your actuals and your variances, breaking them down to the individual item cost. Altus allows you to manage all of your project artifacts in one place, like change requests that require approvals, risks that you may need to manage within the projects, any issues that arise throughout your projects, deliverables that are required as part of your projects, and of course, you have the ability to provide an accurate project status update. The Project Status Update enables you to easily and quickly provide a formal update on the status of all your projects whenever required. The information captured in the system automatically flows into the suite of reports and dashboards that Altus offers. All information related to the projects can easily be viewed and interrogated to check on the progress of any of your projects. Because the data is consistently maintained, you also have the ability to consolidate information like timelines and key milestones across all of your projects, see project financials for all of your projects to determine whether you can deliver on your budget, and of course the ability to consolidate artifacts like risks so that you know the extent and type of risks you need to deal with. As a project manager, you can also request the resources you need to successfully execute your projects. This can all be done from within your project workspace. On the other hand, as a resource manager, you will be notified when there is a new resource request. That resource request is detailed in your resource demand, and as a resource manager, you can check the type of resource requested and determine who is the best resource with the most appropriate skills and availability. By looking through your resource pool, you identify a particular resource and allocate them to that work. When doing this, you can automatically see if the time frame requested aligns with the availability of that resource. Altus gives you the ability to balance your resource load, ensuring that resources are not over-allocated, and at the same time, ensuring that the project manager knows when to expect that resource. In your totals view, you can now see that you have filled the entire resource commitment for that project. From an organisational point of view, it means you have the ability to determine where there are potential resource bottlenecks. By outlining your proposed, committed and draft work, you can see what kind of work will be coming in the future and what type of resources you will need to accommodate for that amount of work. This gives you the overarching resource macro plan. You can then go all the way down to the micro plan and look at each individual's resource allocation and conduct a what-if analysis to determine when or if a particular resource is over or under allocated. Altus enables you to capture all work so you can effectively map and allocate your resource requirements. That work can be tracked through ideation, through business case management, or through project proposal management, allowing you to manage all work from start to finish. The granular information that has been captured in Altus can now easily be consolidated into a portfolio of work. As an executive, this gives you the ability to determine what your portfolio's budget is and how it is tracking. At the same time, you can drill into a particular portfolio and can see the trend of where this portfolio is going. The trend is based on all of the sub-programs and sub-projects that form part of your portfolio. As a portfolio manager, you can maintain all of your portfolio artifacts and you can see the performance of all the sub-programs and sub-projects. Information like risks, change requests or issues that are managed across your portfolio can easily be reviewed. A consolidated view of financials enables you as a portfolio manager to balance your budget. You can easily drill down and identify the variance of a particular project or program and drill down further into the details of that particular overrun. By consolidating all of your work into projects, programs and portfolios, Altus is able to outline the timeline of when certain portfolios can be completed. With the top-down capability provided, executive managers can easily see their total budget and break this down into the component parts so that they understand where certain budgets are spent. With all data centrally managed, Altus is able to provide executives with a view on the execution and achievement of their strategic goals. This can be broken down by strategic themes, by associated goals and initiatives, and you can determine the benefits that all initiatives are actually delivering on right now. In this instance, you can see that a program of work is contributing to a range of benefit realisations. One of those benefit realisations is the reduction in operating costs. As an executive, I can view progress and determine whether that benefit is being realised or not. By providing your organisation with a flexible work platform and the associated insights required to make objective and confident decisions, Altus covers the needs of a multitude of different users. Whatever your project, portfolio or strategic management needs, Altus will be able to help you to elevate your work.